Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of my favorite cars, which is this one. So the Lotus Elise. So honestly, again I'm saying this, I never saw this casting in any other brand so far. At least I never saw that. Maybe if you guys saw this in Hot Wheels or even Majorette or even in my store, just let me know. So and just let me know when they actually release that casting. So this is the first time I actually saw this casting, so I immediately picked it up without even thinking about it twice. Okay, let's unbox this. So again, I even told the story about how I came to know about this casting, in that prelude video. So again, I came to know about this particular car, in Asphalt Urban GT game only. So even honestly, even that's the first time I even came to know about Lamborghini. So I immediately fell in love with that car. So that helped me, in a lot of ways in my life, to be very honest. So okay, so out of the box, the first impressions of this casting, man, that looks absolutely gorgeous. The green color on it. So I used to play with green color only most of the time. So this is really, I'm really happy right now. So it doesn't have any paint job issue. So it has only one scratch or so in the windshield, but that's it. Nothing much. The interior looks really awesome. And one other thing which I really loved about this casting, it has acrylic, inserts for headlights, and you can see the logo placement is perfect on this one. I don't have any issue on that as well. And let's see the grill details here. Yeah, the grill details are there, which is really nice. And the tires are actually rubber, and the tail lights are painted, which is awesome. So the body is fully metal, including the top here. Let me just try it one more time. No, okay. So this one is actually plastic. They just painted it black. So this is, connected along with the windshield here. So I don't want to touch the windshield because I don't want to put my fingerprint on it. So this part here in this, the hood and everything, these are plastic, the black ones. So the chassis is plastic. It has rear view mirrors as well, which is really nice. Let me just turn this. The color is absolutely gorgeous. So the chassis is plastic and it has all the details related to this car, the car specs, which is awesome. And it is really cute actually. It looks really nice, honestly. Okay, let's weigh this casing. It is not really that heavy, maybe around 30 to 32 grams, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, exactly 32. Yeah. Okay. So let's do a roll test now. So this car doesn't have any suspension. If you guys are wondering, it doesn't have any suspension. I'm fine with it, to be honest. Okay. Let me put a focus. Okay. So the front wheel wobbles a lot and rear wheel wobbles a little bit, but it still reaches till that, like more than half of the track. It covers more than half of the track, which is really nice. So again, you guys need to remember this casting weights really not, it weights relatively less even compared to a Hot Wheels, but still it, even with rubber wheels, and all, it is able to roll really well. Let me just zoom out. Honestly, the color is everything. When I really love this one, it really brings back a lot of memories to me. I mean, a lot of good memories back then when there was no microtransaction, nothing was hidden behind the paywall and all. You just download the game, play it, win everything by your, hard work into the putting your hard work into the game, or your skill, talent, whatever it is. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.